Hello, friends. All right, on today's video, super short and sweet, I just want to clear something up really quickly that I see all the time in digital organizing, and that is the difference between projects and tasks. So what is the main difference between projects and tasks? Well, let's think about it like planning a vacation. The project, let's say we're going to plan a trip to Italy. So that would be the higher level project. And then the tasks are the individual steps that are going to get you to complete that project of planning the trip to Italy, like checking your passport expiration and finding the best pasta spot and researching flights. Because if your to-do list simply says plan a trip to Italy, your brain is likely going to freeze up if this is an area that you struggle with, right? So when we think about projects, we also want to think about what are all the tasks within that project that need to be completed. That way, the completion of a project feels way more doable, and it's much more exciting to create your task list around projects and to check them off. I love checking off tasks. Who doesn't? So remember, a project is the destination, and the tasks are the stepping stones to get you to that destination. And if you want help breaking down your next big project, I'm doing a plan a trip with me for my next video where we are actually going to plan a trip together, and I will show you how to complete a big project by breaking it down into smaller tasks. So I will see you in that next video. And in the meantime, happy organizing.